If you're looking to set up SEO for ShopWired, this video will guide you through the process and help you get your store ranking higher. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share some powerful alternatives that might actually work better for your SEO goals, and you'll get exclusive access to extended free trials. First, let's dive into ShopWired's SEO setup. It's relatively straightforward, but there are a few key steps you don't want to skip. The first thing you'll want to do is access the SEO settings in the admin panel. From here, you can edit the title tags and meta descriptions for each page on your site. These are crucial for SEO because they tell search engines what your pages are about. Make sure you're using relevant keywords, but don't overstuff. Google's algorithms are getting smarter, and keyword stuffing can hurt you. Next thing, the URL structure. ShopWired lets you customize the URLs for your products and categories. This is important because a clean, descriptive URL that includes keywords can really boost your SEO efforts. For example, instead of using a generic product number, make the URL something like shopwired.com/organic-cotton-t-shirt instead of shopwired.com/product/12345. It's simple, but it helps. The third thing to focus on is your image optimization. Large image files can slow down your site, which is bad for SEO. Make sure your images are properly compressed and have descriptive alt text. Alt text not only helps with SEO, but also makes your site more accessible, which is a win all around. Now, let's talk about internal linking. This is often overlooked, but it's an essential part of any good SEO strategy. In ShopWired, you can easily link between products and categories. When setting up your site, create a solid internal linking structure that connects related products and pages. This helps both users and search engines navigate your site more effectively. The fifth thing you want to focus on is content. Adding a blog or resources section to your ShopWired store can help you rank for additional keywords and build authority in your niche. Google loves fresh, high-quality content, so keep updating your blog with relevant posts and keyword-rich copy. Now, ShopWired does have some decent built-in SEO tools, but there are definitely some limitations. For example, while it offers easy-to-use features like editable title tags and meta descriptions, it lacks more advanced features that you'll find in other platforms. Plus, if you're serious about scaling, you might run into some challenges as your SEO needs become more complex. Next, let's address the elephant in the room. While ShopWired is a solid option, it might not be the best for long-term, high-growth SEO strategies. That's why I recommend checking out some alternatives that offer better flexibility, more robust features, and a stronger overall SEO toolkit. And the best part? They also offer free trials, so you can explore them without committing right away. So, before you rush off to set up your ShopWired SEO, I've put together some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals. These platforms offer better keyword research tools, advanced analytics, and more customizable options for SEO optimization. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial for these alternatives, so you can see which one works best for your needs. You'll get the best benefits available to our viewers only through this link. With the right platform and SEO setup, you'll be well on your way to increasing traffic and growing your store. Don't miss out on the opportunity to give your business the SEO boost it deserves.